Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. I was looking in the internet to find new pieces for my house. I found this beautiful mirror tray. It is very elegant, at the same time very simple. So I will show you the details here. It's very few metals around, just few amount of it, but the cost is really high for such a tray. So I thought it's very easy, so why shouldn't I try to make it? I took this foam board and cut it according to the size of the mirror. This is very smaller than the size that we saw on the internet that I was showing you earlier. That was for 35 centimeters or 29 centimeters, but I need a very small box to put my jewelry during the night. So I'm taking these small jewels from Dollar Tree and cut it to different sizes. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to see more DIY videos in the future. You might have seen me using these beads many times. I got them from Dollar Tree. First I started putting them in the center, but then I realized that that wasn't a good idea because the tray was falling around. So that's why I took it to the very corners of the tray and started gluing them once again. While I was painting this tray, I realized that it created some bubbles on the surface, but it's okay because we're going to put the mirror on it. At the meantime, I had this beautiful vase. It is clear that I don't like it, that's why I wasn't using it. So I got the spray paint. I'm going to paint it all white and use it as a decor piece. Now I'm going to decor this tray as a living room tray. It looks great, but I want it as a jewelry tray, so I'm going to show it to you later. How is it going to look as a jewelry tray? It is very glam. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your ideas in the comment section. See you in my next video.